Alright, so again, here are our types of solids we're talking about in this lesson. We have our prisms that have two bases that are polygons, so squares, triangles, rectangles, hexagons, octagons, pentagons, okay, and they're joined by faces in the middle. A cylinder who has two bases that are circles that are parallel, and then we have our pyramid, which comes to a point called the vertex at the top. So you should be familiar with these already if you're this far into the lesson. The pyramid's base is a polygon, like the prism's base was a polygon, and then it comes to a point at the top. Finally, we have our cone, which has a circular base and comes to a point called the vertex at the top. Okay, so those are our four types. Okay, let's name some of the parts. Name the faces of the prism. Okay, well, let's kind of outline here what kind of shape we have. Okay, so here is one face. Remember, it's a plane, so we can name a plane with any 3 points on the plane. So let's say I used D, A, and C. Okay, so plane ADC is one of the faces. Let's name another face. How about the left-hand side? Okay, so kind of transparent here. We see we have a side over here. Okay, we can name any 3 points. This point down here is F. We have D up here and A up here. Okay, we have B here also. So what if we called it A, B, F? Okay, we have a bottom section that's completely covered. So notice here's our bottom. It's sitting right on its bottom. The bottom is B, C, E, and F. Okay, we can name any of those letters. We'll name our plane. So let's say B, C, and E. They're all in the bottom. Okay, we have our bases also. Here is our base on the front. It's a triangle. It's triangle A, B, C would be that plane. And we have our other base, which is at the back here. It's a triangle congruent to that one. And its vertices are F, D, and E. So those would be all of the faces of this prism. All right, classify each one, then name its vertex and its base. So to have a vertex and a base, you would have to be a cone or a pyramid. All right, so what are these? What is each of these? Let's look at the one on the left first. Again, it comes to a point up here. What type of base does it have? It has a circular base, and circular bases come with cones. So this is a cone. Its vertex is the point it comes to at the top. So its vertex would be A. And then its base is this circle, which they have labeled as B. Okay, the vertex is A, the base is the circle B, and it is a cone. We classified it as a cone, named its vertex and its base. Again, here we have a figure that comes to a point at the top, but notice its base down here is not a circle, it's a triangle, which is a type of polygon. So that would classify this as a pyramid. Its vertex, again, is the point where the sides come together at the top. So vertex is P. The base here is the triangle down here. It's triangle DEM or MED or MDE, whichever order you want to put those in. So this was classified as a pyramid. Its vertex is the point P, and its base is the triangle DEM.